Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload a company logo in Manager.io. Adding your logo helps brand your invoices, quotes, and reports so everything your clients see is consistent and professional. We'll move through the process smoothly, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Manager.io on your device. Make sure you're in the correct business file where you want the logo to appear. Interface layouts can vary slightly by version, but the steps are the same. Once the application is open, look for the Settings area. It's typically available from the main screen, either in the sidebar or as an option in the top area. If your screen is compact, you might need to expand a menu to see it. Settings is where all the core configuration lives, including your company's identity. Click on Settings to enter the configuration panel. Here you'll see a list of options related to how your business is presented and how features behave. We'll focus on the section that controls the information shown on your documents. Now look for business details. This is the section that stores your company's name, address, and visual identity. It's often listed near the top, but scroll if you don't see it immediately. Click on Business Details to open it. You'll notice fields for contact information and, importantly, an image or logo area. This is where you'll attach your company mark. Click Choose File under the Image section. Your computer's file chooser will open. For best results, select a clear PNG or high-quality JPG. A square or horizontally oriented version usually looks clean on most templates. Aim for a reasonably sized file so it loads quickly, and avoid very large images that could appear oversized in PDFs. Browse to your logo file and select it. If you have multiple versions, pick the one designed for light backgrounds unless you know your documents use a dark theme. Transparent backgrounds typically produce the most polished look. Confirm the selection by clicking Save, OK, or Upload in the file chooser and within Manager.io if prompted. This attaches the image to your business profile. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. Finally, click Update to save your business details. This is the step that applies the change across your documents. After updating, your logo will appear on supported forms such as invoices and quotes the next time they are generated. If you ever want to change the logo, repeat the same process with a new file. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your company logo in Manager.io, keeping your documents on brand and client ready.